Shocker, 2 videos in 2 days, but I got something good for you. So this morning, I was going through the Lyft app, scheduled rides, seeing if there was anything out there. And I came across this ride here, right? It was a 10:50 pickup. You can see in the corner there, it's 10 o'clock. I'm looking at it. I knew it was about 30 miles, $2 a mile, $60. They were estimating between $53 and $63. So we went ahead, we accepted the trip, we took it, told me I needed to be online by 10:35. All right, so we went ahead, we jumped in, and you can see here it's 10:40 a.m., right? We see where we're at here. And there's the request, right? Drop-off tolls added later. It's a scheduled pickup. It was only a mile away. Technically, from my house, it was like 3 miles. So after I was done with this ride, I got rematched from the airport. But here's something I want to show you that I didn't realize. So this is that ride. Remember, originally it was paying between $53 and $63, right? The ride went a total of 1 hour and 2 minutes, 30 and a half miles. But you notice something here? This was a scheduled ride. It paid me by the rate card. $1.44 a mile, 22 cents a minute, a little toll in there because I did take the turnpike. And overall, the ride paid $60 and change, right? And then they threw me a $22.90 tip. So the ride came out to $83.74. But check this out. That rematch I got after that ride, hold on. Look at this. The rematch after the ride, none of those details. It's just a straight rematch. So what I'm thinking is on scheduled rides, you're going to get paid according to your rate card. And it makes sense because they can't guesstimate time. They can guesstimate mileage, but not time because you don't know what traffic conditions are going to be. So I just wanted to bring that to you real quick. I thought it was pretty good. I mean, for the 2 hours I was online, $110 plus I made another 25 on Uber, sliding my way back up. So with that, just a quick video just so that you're aware. Those scheduled rides, rate card. Upfront pricing, no rate card. Peace out.